Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python urllib on Raspberry Pi, a comprehensive guide with Stack Exchange example. This tutorial delves deep into using Python's urllib library on a Raspberry Pi to interact with web resources, specifically focusing on a practical example of querying the Stack Exchange API. We'll cover the fundamentals of urllib, its different modules, error handling, and best practices for accessing and processing web data. This guide is tailored for Raspberry Pi users, keeping in mind the resource constraints and common use cases. Why urllib on Raspberry Pi? The Raspberry Pi, with its small form factor, low power consumption, and network connectivity, is an excellent platform for tasks that require interacting with the internet, such as automation, retrieving data for weather updates, stock prices, or social media monitoring. IoT, Internet of Things, sending data to cloud services or fetching configurations from remote servers. Web scraping, extracting data from websites for research, analysis, or custom applications. APIs interaction, connecting to and utilizing web services provided by APIs like Stack Exchange, Twitter, or Google Maps. Urllib provides a robust and relatively lightweight solution for these tasks, making it well suited for the Raspberry Pi's capabilities. It's part of Python's standard library, meaning you don't need to install any additional packages. Understanding urllib's structure. Urllib is not a single module, but a package containing several modules that work together to handle URL-related tasks. Here's a breakdown of the key modules. urllib.request This module is the core of urllib. It defines functions and classes for opening and reading URLs. The most commonly used function is urllib.request.urlopen, which opens a URL and returns a file-like object that can be read. It can handle various protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and more. urllib.error This module defines exception classes raised by urllib.request when errors occur. Handling these exceptions is crucial for creating robust and reliable applications. Common exceptions include URL error, general URL-related errors, HTTP error, errors specific to HTTP responses, like 404 not found or 500 internal server error, and content too short error. urllib.parse This module provides functions for parsing and manipulating URLs. It's useful for constructing URLs, extracting components, scheme, host name, path, query parameters, and encoding data for URLs. Functions like urlparse, urljoin, urlencode, and quote are essential for working with URLs effectively. urllib.robotparser This module is designed to parse robots.txt files, which specify which parts of a website a web crawler is allowed to access. While not always strictly followed, respecting robots.txt is a good practice when web scraping. A practical example, querying the Stack Exchange API. Let's create a Python script on the Raspberry Pi that uses urllib to query the Stack Exchange API for the most recent questions tagged Raspberry Pi on Stack Overflow. We'll extract the question titles and links. 1. Set up your Raspberry Pi ****. Ensure your Raspberry Pi is connected to the internet. Open a terminal or SSH into your Raspberry Pi. Create a new Python file, example stack_exchange_query.py, using a text editor like Nano. 2. Write the Python code ***. 3. Explanation of the code ****. Import necessary modules ***urllib.request, for opening and reading the URL. *urllib.parse, for encoding URL parameters. *urllib.error, for handling potential errors during the request. *JSON, for parsing the JSON response from the Stack Exchange API. *query_stack_exchange, tag, page equals 1, pagesize equals 10, function asterisk. Asterisk takes the tag to search for the page number and the number of results per page as input. Asterisk defines the API endpoint URL, API_URL. Asterisk creates a dictionary, params, containing the parameters for the API request. Asterisk order, set to desk to sort by creation date in descending order, most recent first. Asterisk sort, set to creation to sort by creation date. Asterisk tagged, set to the specified tag. Asterisk site, set to Stack Overflow to query Stack Overflow. Asterisk page, the desired page number. Asterisk pagesize, the number of results per page. The Stack Exchange API has a maximum pagesize of 100. Asterisk filter, this is a crucial parameter for reducing the amount of data transferred. Asterisk MQJ_B4R7D5W9 is a predefined filter that includes only the title, link, and tags of each question, significantly reducing the response size and speeding up processing on the Raspberry Pi. Refer to the Stack Exchange API documentation for more complex filtering options. Asterisk error handling, try, except. Asterisk encloses the URL opening and data processing code in a try, except block to handle potential errors. Asterisk URL error, catches general URL related errors, example invalid URL, no network connection. Asterisk HTTP error, catches HTTP specific errors, example 404 not found, 500 internal server error. The e.code and e.reason attributes provide more information about the error. Asterisk JSON.JSON decode error, catches errors that occur when parsing the JSON response, example malformed JSON. Asterisk exception, catches any other unexpected errors. Asterisk prints informative error messages to the console and returns none to indicate that the query failed. Asterisk URL encoding, urllib.parse.url_encode. Asterisk encodes the parameters in the params dictionary using urllib.parse.url_encode. This converts the dictionary into a URL encoded string that can be appended to the API URL. This is essential for handling special characters in the parameters. Asterisk opening the URL, urllib.request.urlopen. Asterisk uses urllib.request.urlopen, full_URL, to open the URL and retrieve the response. The with statement ensures that the connection is properly closed, even if errors occur. Asterisk reading and decoding the response asterisk. Asterisk reads the response body using response.read. Asterisk decodes the response from bytes to a string using .decode, UTF-8. The Stack Exchange API returns responses in UTF-8 encoding, which is a common encoding for text on the web. Asterisk parsing the JSON response, JSON.loads. Asterisk parses the JSON string using JSON.loads, data, to convert it into a Python dictionary or list. Asterisk extracting data asterisk. Asterisk extracts the list of questions from the JSON_data dictionary using JSON_data.get, items. The get method is used to safely retrieve the value associated with the key items. If the key is not found, it returns an empty list, to prevent an error. The items key contains the actual question data. Asterisk returning the results asterisk. Asterisk returns the list of questions. Asterisk if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore colon block asterisk. Asterisk this block is executed when the script is run directly, not imported as a module. Asterisk sets the tag to Raspberry Pi. Asterisk calls the query underscore stack underscore exchange function to retrieve the questions. Asterisk if the query is successful, i.e., questions is not none, it iterates through the questions and prints the title and link of each question. Asterisk if the query fails, it prints an error message. 4. Run the script asterisk asterisk. Save the stack underscore exchange underscore query.py file and execute it from the terminal. Expected output asterisk. The script will print a list of the most recent questions tagged Raspberry Pi on Stack Overflow, along with their titles and links, formatted in a readable way. For example, 5. Important considerations for Raspberry Pi asterisk asterisk. Asterisk resource management asterisk Raspberry Pis have limited processing power and memory. Keep the following in mind. Asterisk minimize data transfer asterisk use the filter parameter in the Stack Exchange API to request only the data you need. Asterisk process data efficiently asterisk use appropriate data structures and algorithms for data processing. Avoid loading large amounts of data into memory at once. Consider using generators for processing large data sets. Asterisk use timeouts asterisk set timeouts for URL requests using the timeout parameter in urllib.request.urlopen, to prevent your script from hanging indefinitely if a server is unresponsive. Asterisk error handling is critical asterisk the Raspberry Pi is often used in unattended scenarios. Robust error handling is essential to prevent your script from crashing and to ensure it can recover from unexpected situations. Log errors to a file or a service for later analysis. Asterisk network connectivity asterisk ensure a stable and reliable network connection for your Raspberry Pi. If the connection is unreliable, implement retry mechanisms with exponential backoff to improve the robustness of your script. Asterisk security asterisk be mindful of security when interacting with external APIs. Asterisk protect API keys asterisk if your API requires authentication, API keys, do not hardcode them directly into your script. Use environment variables or a configuration file to store them securely. Asterisk validate input asterisk sanitize any user input that is used in URL parameters to prevent injection attacks. Asterisk HTTPS asterisk always use HTTPS, secure HTTP, when communicating with APIs to protect your data from eavesdropping. urllib.request automatically handles HTTPS. Asterisk rate limiting asterisk be aware of API rate limits. The Stack Exchange API, like many APIs, has limits on the number of requests you can make per minute or per day. Exceeding these limits can result in your application being blocked. Implement rate limiting in your code to avoid exceeding the limits. Check the backoff field returned in the Stack Exchange API response. If backoff is present, wait the number of seconds specified before making another request. 6. Advanced techniques asterisk asterisk. Asterisk proxies asterisk if your Raspberry Pi is behind a proxy server, you can configure urllib to use it. Asterisk authentication asterisk for APIs that require authentication, example OAuth, you'll need to use the urllib.request module to send the necessary authentication headers with your requests. Refer to the API documentation for details on the authentication process. You may also consider using the requests library, installable with pip install requests, which simplifies authentication and other advanced HTTP operations. Asterisk web scraping with Beautiful Soup asterisk if you need to extract data from websites that don't provide an API, You can use urllib to download the HTML content and then use a library like Beautiful Soup, pip install Beautiful Soup 4, to parse the HTML and extract the desired data. Asynchronous requests with Asyncio for performance critical applications. You can use the Asyncio library to make asynchronous HTTP requests. This allows your script to perform other tasks while waiting for responses from the server. 7. Troubleshooting URL error, urlopen error timed out This error indicates that the connection to the server timed out. Check your network connection and increase the timeout value in urllib.request.urlopen. HTTP error, HTTP error 403, forbidden This error indicates that the server is refusing to serve the request. This can be due to rate limiting, IP address blocking, or other security measures. Check the API documentation for any restrictions and try again later. Make sure you are sending the correct headers, including a valid user agent. JSON.JSON decode error, expecting value This error indicates that the JSON response from the server is malformed or incomplete. Check the URL and the parameters you are sending to the API. Also, examine the raw response from the server to see if there are any errors. You can print the data variable before calling JSON.loads, to see the raw response. General connectivity issues Use ping to test basic connectivity. Use traceroute to diagnose routing problems. Check your Raspberry Pi's firewall settings. Conclusion urllib is a powerful and versatile library that allows you to access and process web resources on your Raspberry Pi. By understanding the different modules, error handling techniques, and best practices, you can create robust and reliable applications that interact with the Internet. The Stack Exchange API example demonstrates how to use urllib to query a web service and extract data. Remember to consider the Raspberry Pi's resource constraints and implement appropriate measures to optimize performance and ensure stability. This tutorial provided a solid foundation. Always consult the official Python documentation and the API documentation for the specific service you are using for the most up-to-date information.